Casino is a popular 2 to 4 player card game where players try to capture cards on the table to score points. To play, first choose one player to be the dealer for the first round. The dealer deals 2 cards face down to each player except for themselves. Then, they deal 2 cards face up in the middle of the table, followed by 2 cards face down to themselves. Finally, they deal 2 more cards face down to every player, including themselves, so everyone has 4 cards in total. The player to the left of the dealer goes first. On a player's turn, they can capture a face-up card on the table if they have a card of the same rank in their hand. For example, if a player has an 8 in their hand and there is a face-up 8 on the table, they can capture the face-up card. After capturing a card, the player places both cards face down in front of them. A player can also capture multiple face-up cards if they add up to a number that matches one of the cards in their hand. For example, if a player has a 9 in their hand, they could capture a 4 and 5, a 7 and 2, or a 1, 3, and 5, since those cards add up to 9. A player can also use a single card in their hand for multiple captures in the same turn. For example, if they have an 8, they could use it to capture a face-up 8 on the table, as well as a face-up 5 and 3. If a player captures all of the face-up cards on the table, it's called a sweep. A sweep is worth 1 extra point. Once a player can't capture any more cards, the player to their left goes next. If a player isn't able to capture any cards on their turn, they play a card from their hand face up in the middle of the table. Whenever a player runs out of cards, 4 more cards are dealt to every player, including the dealer. Players can also make builds on their turn to help them capture cards later on. For example, a player can place a 6 from their hand on a face-up 2, so they're overlapping to build an 8. Then, on their following turn, they could use an 8 from their hand to capture the 6 and 2, unless another player captures them first. Players can't capture builds on the same turn they play them. Players can also make a build by combining multiple face-up cards with a card from their hand. For example, a player could move a face-up 3 onto a face-up 5, and then place a 2 from their hand on those cards to build a 10. Players can also combine multiple builds on the table to make a bigger number, like by moving a 5 build onto a 4 build to build a 9. The game continues until all of the cards have been dealt out and played. The remaining face-up cards on the table go to the last player who made a capture as a bonus. Then, everyone tallies up their points. Each captured ace is worth 1 point. The 10 of diamonds is worth 2 points. And the 2 of spades is worth 1 point. Whoever captured the most cards gets 3 points. Whoever captured the most spades gets 1 point. After each round, the deal passes to the next player on the left, and a new round starts. The first player to get 21 or more points wins the game.